Weekly Checkup brought to you by Dignity Health Central Coast.
More than 90 million adults in the United States are considered obese, putting them at high risk for stroke, diabetes, and heart disease. But simple dietary changes can help make a huge difference. Dr. Terry Simpson explains.
We live in a society that is full of fast food and fast promises and fast calories. And one of the things that we like to do is to teach people how to cook and how to cook healthy food. And it's not that difficult. But people are intimidated. They're intimidated by their stoves, by their ovens, by the knives. And so part of our goal is to take people and say, look, you can make this. One of my favorite dishes to make is I will take some chicken thighs and some bell peppers and some onions and some carrots, put it all in a toaster oven, and in 25 minutes they have a meal for 3 people from a toaster oven.
Dr. Simpson recommends following the Mediterranean diet, which is high in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains.
More things like beans and lentils, legumes, less meat, less dairy, a little less alcohol, and it works. It's always good to shop around the periphery of the store and not in the center of the store. Second, you can never have too many fruits or vegetables. Teaching how to eat those simple foods that are healthy, kind of like what mom might have told you, is really key to longevity and health.
For more information, call the number on your screen or visit dignityhealth.org/Central Coast. I'm Beverly Herbert.
Weekly Checkup brought to you by Dignity Health Central Coast.